Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Outlook is signed in and the mailbox you need is fully synced. This avoids missing messages. Open Excel and confirm Power Query or Get and Transform is available. If not, enable it in Excel options. Decide what to pull, a folder, a date range, or particular senders, since the query filters will use that. Once done, go to Excel's Data tab and choose. Get data then from other sources, then from Microsoft Exchange, or from Outlook folder, depending on your Excel version. You will now connect and shape the data. After choosing the mailbox and folder, grant any permission prompts. This establishes a live query. Use the Power Query editor to filter by date, sender, or subject so you only import relevant rows. Expand needed fields like from, to, subject, date, and body, then apply transformations. Clean HTML from body, split combined fields into columns, convert types to date or number, and remove duplicates. Make sure preview looks correct before loading back to Excel. You finish by loading the transformed table to a worksheet or the data model and naming the query for clarity. Set refresh options. Refresh on file open or schedule an automatic refresh interval so the sheet stays current. If you need attachments, extract them via custom Power Query steps or a small VBA macro after loading. Finally, if rows are missing, check Outlook sync status, folder path accuracy, and account permissions. Adjust filters and rerun the query to confirm the complete dataset is now.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.